Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open Figma files in Illustrator. First, you need to export your design from Figma. Since Illustrator cannot directly open Figma files, exporting is a crucial first step. Select the specific frames or layers you wish to transfer. Then, choose either SVG or PDF as your export format, ensuring your settings are optimized for the best quality and compatibility with Illustrator. Once your file is exported from Figma as an SVG, open Adobe Illustrator. Navigate to the File menu and select Open. Locate your saved SVG file and click to import it. Illustrator will then display your design. Take a moment to review the imported elements, ensuring all shapes, paths, and text appear correctly. You can now make any necessary adjustments to colors or fonts. Alternatively, if you exported your Figma design as a PDF, the process in Illustrator is slightly different. Open Illustrator and go to File, then select Place. Browse to find your PDF file. It's important to uncheck the link option in the dialog box to embed the PDF content directly into your Illustrator document rather than linking to an external file. Then, click Place to bring your design in. After importing, you might need to refine your design. Often, imported elements are grouped, so ungroup them to edit individual components. To ensure font consistency, convert any text to outlines. This prevents font substitution issues if the font isn't installed on another computer. You can then easily adjust stroke weights, fill colors, or other properties. Finally, save your work as an Illustrator AI file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.